How to unlock your full potential by looks maxing. There are two versions of you. One is average, forgotten. The other walks in the room and owns it without saying a word. This video, it's the blueprint to become the second version. This is the ultimate looks maxing guide. Not just to look better, but to be better. Face, body, style, habits. Let's build the best version of you. Let's kill the myth right now. Looks maxing isn't plastic surgery. It's not fake. It's about maximizing your natural potential through real, tangible self improvement. It's a cheat code, not to life, but to confidence, career, and dating. Like it or not, looks matter. They shape how people treat you and how you treat yourself. This isn't cope, it's control. And if you do it right, you won't just look different, you'll live different. Your skin is the first thing people see. And most guys, they never take care of it. Start here. For the morning, I recommend you to use these products: gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and even better, sunscreen. For the night, cleanse again. Apply retinol. Start at 2 to 3 times a week. Then use a heavier moisturizer. Drink water, cut the junk food, and sleep more than 5 hours. That's how you get the glow. It's non-negotiable. No, you can't chisel a jawline with a wish, but you can reveal what you got. Fix facial posture. Keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth. It sounds dumb, I know, until your face tightens over 6 months. Chew mastic gum to strengthen master muscles. Practice nasal breathing for facial balance. If your teeth are crooked, fix them. Braces or aligners are an investment, not a luxury. It's not about becoming someone else. It's about revealing the version of you hiding under years of neglect. Hair makes your face make or break. Figure out your face shape: oval, square, heart, etc. Get a haircut that suits you, not just a trend on TikTok. Use sea salt spray for texture. Facial hair, it's your contour. Learn to line it, learn to fade it, or go clean if it suits you. Grooming isn't optional, it's leverage. Your body is the frame for everything else. It changes how clothes fit, how people perceive you, how you see yourself. Train 3 to 6 times a week. Focus on progressive overload. Emphasize on compound lifts like bench, squats, lifts, rows, overhead press. Eat high protein, 1 gram per pound of body weight. Track your macros. Sleep 7 to 9 hours at a night. You'll be amazed what 90 days of real training does for your face, your jawline, your posture, even your charisma. Style isn't the silent game changer. You don't need designer, you need fit. Start with the basics: clean white teeth, slim black jeans, Chelsea boots, or sneakers. Get your pants tailored. Wear neutral tones: black, gray, navy, until you master color coordination. Add accessories: watch, ring, minimal chain. Don't chase trends. Build a wardrobe that frames you like art. When your style talks, you don't have to. Looks maxing is 50% appearance. The other 50%, it's discipline. Wake up early. Build a morning routine. Cold showers. Track habits. Set goals, hit them, repeat. You're not just building a better body, you're building a better mind. You don't look confident, you become confident. Looks Maxen isn't about insecurity, it's about potential. It's about becoming the high value man who walks, talks, and lives like a winner. Forget the shortcuts. Do the work. In 6 months, you won't just look better. You'll wonder why you ever settled. So start today. Clean your room. Hit the gym. Fix your posture. Throw out that crusty hoodie. Become someone people who remember. If you find value in this, hit the like, subscribe, and comment button with where you are starting from. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Let's build together. There's a version of you out there who commands respect, who looks in the mirror and actually feels proud, who's magnetic without saying a word. You don't get there by luck. You get there by intentional evaluation. So goodbye. I won't take much of your time because you've got some work to do.